What's up, y'all? So we just made it here in Nassau, Bahamas. We are here in Atlantis, staying at the Cove on the private side of Atlantis. And let me just tell you, it is beautiful out here. So I've been before, but it has been a long time since I've been. This is our room. And it is amazing. This is my first time here as like an actual adult and being able to like do stuff on like the adult side and enjoy it kind of more as an adult. But Saturday, I think it's either Friday or Saturday, we are gonna go on a yacht and we're gonna island hop a few times and snorkel, ride jet skis, all this stuff. We're gonna be on there for like six to 8 hours or something like that. We're gonna go to, I forgot what the island's called, but we're going to one of the islands where there has a bunch of pigs on it, but it's not Pig, I guess it's called Pig Island. It's gonna be so fun and I'm so excited to bring y'all along with me. But yeah, so hopefully we're gonna go to dinner tonight and we'll also go to the casino. We'll definitely go do some gambling. I don't know if they'll let me take the camera in there, but yeah, I'm super excited to go and have a lot of fun, especially the yacht. That's what I'm really looking forward to. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so it's officially day one. We are headed down to the beach. We got a cabana down there, out there by the pool and the beach. So we're gonna go chill out there a little bit, go swim around, maybe hit the lazy river or something, or go down some slides or something. But we just showered up, took a little bit of a nap. We're gonna go to dinner and probably go to the casino a little bit. Maybe walk around a little bit and go. There's a little place where they got some sea turtles and stuff, and sharks, like a shark tube where you can like walk around. They're like up above you. So we're gonna probably go over there and walk around a little bit. I can't film in the casino because obviously it's a casino. They won't let me film in there. They won't even let me have my phones at the tables. We're gonna go mess around and just see what we can find out here. Kind of explore a little bit because the last time I was here we never really got to like walk around very much and just kind of see what all was here. So we're gonna go maybe go hit some shops and stuff too. So yeah. Now we're in the aquarium here. Look at the little shark here. Little nurse shark. What is that? Oh, it's a tarpon. They've got these lobsters. Yeah, that's cool. And they've got like these little like sea urchins and stuff in here. Like, things are big. Oh, look, there's the stingrays.
It's like a woman in a
Uh-huh. Wow, this place is pretty cool. We're gonna keep walking. See what else we can find. Do they have two massive Goliath burgers? Those are awesome. I want to say they're yellowtails, but they're they're kind of snapper. Just got back from dinner. Went to the casino a little bit. Started with 200 yesterday. Left with 189. Walked in. Was about to lose all my money and came back and I'm sitting at 229. But went to the aquarium, just saw all the turtles, and we also saw that you can swim and snorkel in the aquarium without the fish. So we're gonna see if we can try to do that tomorrow. I think that's gonna be pretty fun. But we're headed back to the room now. This place is amazing. It's been really fun here too. I'm excited to go on the boat on Saturday, and then she's getting a massage on Sunday. She's excited for that. Go work out a little bit. But I think tomorrow we're gonna sit at the cabana again and just hang out, sit at the beach and stuff. I want to do the snorkel stuff. I'll take the GoPro down there if I can do it. Oh, look at the little bug.
That's a cockroach. That's not a little bug.
Oh, I thought it was one of those the little green bugs.
Ew, no.
There's a lizard.
Why did it run so fast?
Hopefully when we go on the boat, we can actually find some of those fish that are in there or just something and like be able to snorkel and see some stuff like out in the actual ocean. There's also, they got some jet skis and stuff on there. I'm trying to see if we can do like a fishing charter. But I don't think we'd be able to. We don't have enough time. We're not here long enough. If we were here longer, we would, but if we weren't doing the boat, we would. But I don't know. we'll see. I think the boat's gonna be fun. All right, so we are now day 2 in the Bahamas. Last night we had a lot of fun at the casino. Had a really good dinner. Had some local grouper. Now we're getting ready to go down to the beach and go back to the cabana. And I think it's so nice. We got the pool on one side, you got the beach on the other. You can see out beach, you can see out water, and the water is really blue today. It's like, it kind of made it a little lighter, it looks like. Not as deep blue as it was. I am excited for today. We're gonna try to see if we can snorkel with in the aquarium today. I think we have a really nice dinner tonight that we're going to. I'm excited for that, and it's actually in the casino again, so maybe we can go do a little bit more, play some more blackjack. I wish they'd let me film in there, but I mean, I get it. Last night I was down. I walked in there with 189 for my original 200 from the day before, and I got down to I don't know, $60, $70, and came back up to 229. So I'm up $29 right now. Hopefully we can have another good day at the casino and have another good day here at the beach. But tomorrow we're going on the boat. That's gonna be fun. I'm ready to. They have these little sea bobber things. I think those are the things that help you dive into the water and stuff, and you can film and stuff. So I got the GoPro, so I'll film some of that too. But I'm excited for the day. Ella's all finishing getting ready right now. About to grab some stuff, get the camera bag, and head down to the beach.
Off my single bed, we'll share the same room, yeah.
Alright, so made it back from the beach. It rained a little bit today, but it's alright. You still got to hang out at the beach, sit out, get a little tan. We're headed to dinner now. We're going to a place called Neighboo. I don't know if y'all have ever been there, but I say it's the best restaurant here. So it's a little bit nicer dinner, so just a little bit nicer today. So probably gonna hit up the casino again after. Hopefully I can win a little bit more and actually win enough to where I can go to a $25 table until the 15s and try to win a little bit more. Just get better and better. But I'm learning. This is the first time I've ever played a real casino. So I was finishing getting ready. We're gonna go eat at about 8:30. Probably walk around a little bit too, see some shops again. Maybe go see the sea turtles again. Go see all that. Alright, so we're now day 3, and today is the boat day. We gotta be downstairs at 9:30 and head over there to the marina, hop on the boat. I don't know where we're gonna go first, but I think they're gonna serve us breakfast on the boat, hopefully, because I'm kind of hungry. I'm excited to go. We're going to an island, I think that has a bunch of pigs and stuff on it, and sharks. We're gonna swim around with some pigs and sharks, and then I think we're gonna sail around a little bit and find some places to snorkel, maybe find some other little islands and stuff to hop around on and snorkel and stuff. We only have it till 4 o'clock, which is a long time, but so we can come back and get some dinner and hit the casino or something. We didn't go to the casino last night. We went to Nobu. I don't know how to say it, but that place is really good if you've ever been. We just kind of hung around, got some ice cream, and went to the nightclub last night too. That was fun, but we had to be up early this morning, so now we're up here, going on the boat. Hopefully it'll be fun. Okay, so we made it out here on the boat. This place is awesome. This boat is so big, it's so fun. These little, we got jet skis, sea bobs, we're snorkeling with all the little fish and stuff. So finishing up our day here on the boat. We just went and watched, or looked at all the sea turtles, swam with sea turtles, stingrays, and stuff like that. That was really cool. But man, this boat is absolutely beautiful, and it has been so fun to be out here and do this stuff. It's just awesome. It's the first time I've ever been on like a big boat like this. So, but we're having an amazing time. We're gonna get a few drinks in and head back in. Maybe at the casino, mess around a little bit, but everyone's had a great time, and this trip's just been amazing. So, all right, so we just got back from the boat. The boat was awesome, amazing. Went on the jet skis a bunch, swam around. There was a lot of like coral and reefs and stuff, so I got to see all the like cool fish and stuff, and swim with the sea turtles and stuff. But it was a very, very long day. Sunburned, and it hurts. So I gotta go get some aloe. Hopefully, make that go away. But we're gonna hit a quick nap and then try to go out to dinner. I think we're going to a steakhouse. Hopefully that'll be pretty good. We have a little walk down that way. We'll see how a little bit. So we're all rested up, took a shower, headed off to dinner. Go eat a good steak. Anyway, at the Burberry Fit. These are probably one of my favorite shoes I've ever bought. We're gonna probably hit up the casino afterwards, have a good steak dinner down by the casino, and have a little bit of fun. We are both exhausted, ready to go to sleep.
And burnt.
And very burnt. This like material, it's kind of hard to explain. It's like a mesh, kind of. And my shoulders are burnt, so it's kind of like rubbing my shoulders and it hurts, but it's alright. I'm gonna wear it, so we'll see how I done it. Alright, so I didn't film much yesterday because we came up, we were exhausted. We went to dinner, hit up a casino, and unfortunately I lost all my money. So I'm down $300 now. We'll see if we go back tonight or not. But we are headed to the cabana. We actually have one on the lazy river this time, so that, and it's also right by the beach I think too. So we're gonna head up the beach and lay out the cabana a little bit, mess around, come back. I think we got one more dinner planned for tonight. We're out of here tomorrow at like 1 o'clock. So hopefully we can have some fun at the lazy river and cabana. So we are checking out. We are packing up everything from the trip from the Bahamas. Man, this trip has been amazing. This view of everything has been amazing. Just absolutely incredible. We went out to eat last night at a place called Sip Sip. It was phenomenal. I had an 8-ounce Angus beef burger, and that thing was giant. Anyway, but we went and ate, walked around, looked at some of the yachts, and let me tell you, there was one yacht that was probably 200 feet, called the Golden Eye. That thing was beautiful. Went to some shops, got some little souvenirs and stuff, but went to the casino last night. Remember, I lost my 300 2 nights ago. Bought in again for 200 today or last night, and walked out of there with $1,100. And I would have walked out with almost 2 or 3,000, maybe 4, but I had missed on a double. I had 200 out there, and I doubled for 200 more, and I would have won another $400. But can't hit them all. But I got down to literally, I think $30, 30 or $35, and brought it all the way back up to $1,100. So won all my money back, luckily. That was the first time I've ever been to like a real casino, so it was fun. It was a really cool experience. But we're packing up, headed back home. Traveling back home today. Car picks us up at 1 o'clock. I'm not really too sure what time we're getting back, but we'll see you at home. Guys, so we just made it back home. We had an amazing time there in Atlantis. I'm so glad I was able to bring you guys along. Got to do so many fun things. Got to go on the yacht and see Gilligan's Island and swim with the sea turtles and play in the casino. Sorry I didn't film a whole bunch of the stuff like the family dinners and stuff, and I couldn't really film much in the casino because they wouldn't allow me to. But we had so much fun, and if you stayed to the end of the video, I want to say thank you for doing that. If you don't already, make sure to go follow the socials, and make sure you go check out the new truck. I haven't posted it yet, but by the time this video is up, I'll probably have it posted. Bought the new red truck. That's Clifford. So that's going to be the new show truck, the new end level on it. Make sure you go like that post, show it some love, Stay tuned. We have a whole lot more stuff left to film for you guys. A few truck shows, a few more trips. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I appreciate you guys coming with me, and I'm glad I was able to do it. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. And I appreciate everybody. So peace out.
When you're gonna come.